Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be having a brief overview of your help menu, and this will be located under your main menu. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head back to the program here, now you guys will notice we heading on our last menu now for the main menu. So after this, we'll be heading to something new at least. So then, anyway, so if we go to the main menu here on the help, just zoom in here, you guys can see the options we have under it. Now we have two. Obviously, we have help, and then we have about. So now help, this is it will take you to documentation on the actual program, some things you can do. A lot of it that we're going to be covering in this tutorial is in there, but there's also a few things that we're covering that's not in this menu. So this is a very handy one. Let's say you like reading documents and stuff like that instead of watching videos. You can always go ahead and follow some of the steps there. And unfortunately though, you won't be going into too much, or should I say the document doesn't go into too much depth on all the features. So that's where the videos come in quite handy at times. And then we have about, and then this is a great place obviously if you want to know about the program, the version number, especially we used it in a previous one. And then there's a few different options here as well. But yeah, so otherwise that is it on the help menu. So just a quick recap. The top one here, you can go to actual documentation on using the program, and then the bottom one is about the program and some hard links and so forth. But yeah, that is it on the help menu. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.